Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, and today is Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. It is 4:13 and 57 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, protein sugar structures. So let's hop to it here. The scientists build on AI modeling to understand more about protein sugar structures. Date November 2nd, 2021. Source University of York. The new research building on AI algorithms has enabled scientists to create more complete models of the protein structures in our bodies, paving the way for faster designed therapeutics and vaccines. Up to 70% of human proteins are surrounded or scaffolded with sugar, which plays an important part in how they look and act. Moreover, some viruses like these behind AIDS, flu, Ebola, and COVID-19 are also shielded behind sugars, glycans. The addition of these sugars is known as modification. And to study the proteins, researchers created software that adds missing sugar components to models created with AlphaFold, which is an artificial intelligence program developed by Google's DeepMind, which performs predictions of protein structures. The proteins of the human body are tiny machines that in their billions make up our flesh and bones, transport our oxygen, allow us to function, and defend us from pathogens. And just like a hammer relies on a metal head to strike pointy objects, including nails, proteins have specialized shapes and compositions to get their jobs done. The AlphaFold method for protein structure prediction has the potential to revolutionize workflows in biology, allowing scientists to understand a protein and the impact of mutations faster than ever. However, the algorithm does not account for essential modifications that affect protein structure and function, which gives us only part of the picture. The research has shown that this can be addressed in a relatively straightforward manner, leading to a more complete structural prediction. The recent introduction of AlphaFold and the accompanying database of protein structures has enabled scientists to have accurate structure predictions for all known human proteins. The software was used in the glycan structural work that underpinned the mRNA vaccines against SARS-CoV-2, but now there is so much more we can do, thanks to the AlphaFold technological leap. It is still early stages, but the objective is to move on from reacting to changes in the glycan shield to anticipating them. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.